Right, here we have an E-Reg Ford Transit Mark III camper. Which we're in the process of stripping down, ready to remove the driver's side front wing and plate up the scuttle area. For its age, it's not in too bad condition. Little scabby here and there. Some of the worst bits being that top gutter rail, which you're going to have to cut out and replace. And we have some second-hand doors that appear to be in a little bit better shape than these, but this one's not too bad. As you can see, it's only literally this hole around here. The rest of it is pretty good condition. And looking at the front cross member, that looks pretty solid. We won't know until we actually get the bumper off, but it appears to be solid. You see this door's got a few more rust scabs, and the bottom of the door is really crabby. So that door must really be completely replaced with the donor one. So once we get the wipers off and the scuttle off, we can have a good look at the scuttle panel. But from first, inspections, yeah, there's a few little bits they're going to need plating. Okay, transit camper, stripping all the front down, removed the front wing, and usual telltale, rust holes around where the headlight fits, where the bumper corner bolts in, the inner arch section which we've made a plate up and welded in, bottom of the A post, and as we go up we've had to replate most of the top section of the A post around the screen, as it was completely rotted. can tell, front cross member, lovely and solid. But they used to always rot down behind there. But this one seems nice and solid. We have a few issues with the skull, where we're going to have to cut out and make plates. But not the worst I've seen. But the other side is just a few little rust scabs.